be showing you guys how I made this wig look fresh out the box even after 2 weeks. And you guys can already see the complete difference. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. So you guys are either coming from the video of me showing you guys me putting on this wig for the very first time and raving about it, or you guys are just new and you want to know, did this $18 wig really truly last 2 weeks? The answer to that is yes. This wig was fully $18 if I had gotten it in black, but with this coloring it turned out to be like $22, which is still a steal for this amazing hair. It is synthetic. It can take heat, and I did put heat, and I will be explaining more on that throughout the video. But these ends are not as bad as I would expect them to look after 2 full weeks of me wearing this every day. I wore this wig in the rain, guys. This wig has been worn in the rain, and it looked fresh. I did not think this wig was an everyday wig, but like I said, bad bitches do not care what the occasion is. A bad bitch is gonna bad bitch. I stopped doing my natural baby hair in the front because I feel like it looked better without it, and I didn't have to deal with sliding when I don't put my natural baby hairs in the front, and it looks pretty good just swapped on my head like that. Also, I'm wearing this wig grip. I'm gonna link a video to the wig grip and all that below. I showed me wearing that with the kinky curly wig. This wig is freaking amazing. I don't know what else to tell you guys to make you guys go and buy this wig, but it's freaking amazing. I've had this on for 2 weeks. I've gotten compliments every single day that I've put this wig on my head. It looks great. It's a human hair dupe. People were asking me, how did I highlight it? Who did I pay to highlight it for me? I'm like, girl, I just put it on. Like, I just bought the wig colored like this, and I put it. Wig grip, bro. The crazy things that I've done in this wig, it did not slide, shift, nothing. Freetress, freetress. Freetress, 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 freetress. Did their dang thing with this wig. And now I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this wig look fresh out the box even after 2 weeks. So I did flat iron this wig after 1 week, but I was like, this whole entire week, today's Friday, so starting from Monday, I was not going to apply any sort of heat to this wig to see how it would stand the test of time. Let's take a look at these ends. These ends are not bad for a 2-week-old wig, and look, they still got a little bit of movement, you know. Okay, so I got my flat iron. This is the BB flat iron. I got it from Burlington for only like $20. And you need a leave-in conditioning spray or detangler. It does have detangling properties, so yeah. It has coconut milk, which replenishes moisture, naturally softens, and detangles. Just spray the detangling spray all through the hair. You just want to drench it. Now that you have sprayed the wig, you want to brush through it thoroughly, making sure it's fully detangled. So now the wig is fully combed out. There should be no tangles at all. You can already see how new it's looking. The strands are not as, you know, crazy looking. So you want to do the comb chase method with the wig. And you guys can already see the complete difference. You guys see how straight this is? And once you are done blow drying, once you're done flat ironing, you're gonna see like it may act a little stiff, but that's just because it's still kind of wet, you know. The product is still in there. Like, you guys tell me in the comments, does this resemble $18 hair? $18 hair is like a cosplay wig, not bad B wig. Cause I be the baddie bee. Barbie can spin your body bee. Everybody be. Oh my G, yo, I gotta be. In reality, suck a tea. If you got me, back of the back, back of the back, back of the back, back of the back. Who on Barbie tea? Who on Barbie tea? Freetress Equal. It's a lace part, not a lace front. Goes 5-inch deep. Those are great purchase. So bye guys.